DIY number 2, all you're gonna need is some sea glass spray paint, a glue stick, a vase, ruler, paper, and scissors. So I absolutely love the outlook of this frosted glass vase. I thought it looked so expensive and very West Elm-esque. And what I did was cut out 2-inch strips from paper and just cut out some triangle masks. And basically, you can cut out any shape you would like out of just regular old printer paper and apply a bit of Elmer's glue stick to the back of that and just let the Elmer's glue stick dry, because once this dries, it actually turns into a slightly tacky but removable masking like piece. It's kind of like a post-it note, if you guys know what that is. It's basically a post-it note. You can put it on there and remove it. So I actually place these down, and wherever the paper is, the spray paint is not going to go on the glass. So I then brought it to a box and sprayed a layer of this Krylon Sea Glass spray paint, which I got at Michael's for about $4 with a coupon code or a coupon, and then you just pull off the little masking pieces and it shows the clear glass through. And I would highly suggest that you also put a mask on the top of it so that the spray paint doesn't get on the inside, but it is removable with acetone, just to let you know.